Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add integers, and I'm going to do it using the number line and then also using the positive and negative tiles. So remember, an integer is just any whole number, but it can be positive, negative, or zero. So it'd be like any number that might be on this number line. Okay, so if I have 3 plus negative 2, the first way I can do it is using the number line. So if I start at the number 3, so I have my dot here, and when it says negative 2 means I want to go to the left. Or if you think about Cecil, he's walking backwards. So if I look at my line here, I go backwards 2 places, and I end up at 1. So that would be my answer. But if you like using the positive and negatives, so I could get out 3 positive tiles. I can get out 2 negatives. And then I want to circle my 0 pairs. So remember, 1 positive and 1 negative is 0. And here's another 0 pair. So my answer is just 1 because there's just 1 positive left over. Alright, number 2 is negative 7 plus negative 1. So same idea. So this time I'm just going to start at the first number. So we start at negative 7 right here. And when it says negative 1, that means I go backwards or to the left 1. So when I go backwards 1, that takes me back to negative 8. And I could use the positive and negatives again. So I would get out 7 negatives, get out 1 more negative. But on this one, there are no 0 pairs because there's no positive and negative circle like on the first one. So I'm just going to count up how many I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negatives. And that's the same answer that we got before. So either method will work. You should get, or you need to get the same answer. Okay, last one, I have negative 4 plus 4. So same idea with my number line. I'm going to start at the first number, so negative 4. But this time, because it's plus 4, that means I want to go to the right, or forward 4. So if I look at my number line, I start negative 4, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and end up at 0, so that's my answer. So same idea with the positives and negatives. If I start with negative 4, I get out 4 negatives. And then because it's plus 4, I get out 4 positives. And then I'm going to circle my 0 pairs again. So 1 negative, 1 positive, another one, and another one. And so because there's nothing left, my answer would be 0, which is what I got before. So anytime you solve these, you can use the number line or you can use the positive negative tiles.